Hello, second grade Smarties, and welcome to iReady Math Lesson 25, video number 2. Today, we are finding the value of coins and solving word problems with those values. So go ahead and get open to page 228 and 229 in your instruction book, and let's get counting. All right, on page 228, it says, read the problem, then you will explore ways to find the value of the coins. It says, Eric found some coins on the floor. How many cents did he find? Now, remember, Smarties, in our last lesson, we talked about how we could have a greater number of coins, but the value of those coins might be different than if someone had another group of coins. So let's look at the coins that Eric found. So Eric found 3 coins that have a value of 10 cents. What coin has a value of 10 cents, Smarties? Dimes. Okay, he found 3 coins that have a value of 5 cents. What coins have a value of 5 cents? Nickels. And he found 2 coins that have a value of 1 cent. What coin has a value of 1 cent? Pennies. So we need to figure out the value of these coins. So the first way that we could do is we can show a model. So look at what they did with the model. They made a bar model and they made the values look different based on the amount in that value. So we had 3 groups of 10. We have 3 groups of 5 and 2 groups of 1. So that's one way to show the value. The other way is that we can write an addition equation. So we could write 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1. So to find the value of these coins, we can use our knowledge about skip counting to find the value of those coins. We can solve that addition equation, but let's see if we can find another way. So number 2 says, use skip counting to find the value. Each time the coins change, be sure to change what you are counting by. So our first 3 coins were dimes. So those coins have a value of 10 cents. My next coin is a dime. What is going to be the next value, Smarties? I am adding groups of 10. What's going to come next? 30 cents. I am adding 10 more cents. All right. Now, remember, be sure to change the value for this next one, okay? All right, look very closely. This coin also looks silver, but this is a bigger coin. This is a nickel. It is worth 5 cents. So I am going to add 5 to 35. 30 plus 5 more would be 35 cents. Same coin. What would come next, Smarties? 40 cents. I'm adding 5 more cents. All right. And this is the backside of a nickel. What is going to be the next amount? 45. I'm adding 5 more cents. Now with pennies, what do we count by? We count by ones. So 1 more than 45 would be 46. And 1 more than 46 would be 47. For number 3, it says Eric added the values like this. Find the sum. All right, so look at what Eric did. He grouped those numbers, those coins based on their values. So he went ahead and found the value of 3 dimes. That was 30 cents. The value of 3 nickels was 15 cents. And the value of 2 pennies was 2 cents. Now we have to draw. Now we have to solve that equation. So let's look at 30. Okay, so I'm going to write 30 plus 0. I'm going to show how to solve this in a different way. 15 is 10 plus 5 and 2 cents. All right, so I'm going to add my ones. 5 plus 2 ones is 7 ones. 30 plus 10 is 40. 40 plus 7 is 47 cents. All right. So there are multiple ways to solve this problem. All right, number 4 says, draw another set of coins that has the same value as Eric's set of coins. Ooh, all right. So here's what we're going to do. We are going to show our coins like this. So we have a penny. Remember, our dime is our smallest. Dime, nickel, and quarter. Remember, a penny is worth 1 cent. A dime is worth 10 cents. A nickel is worth 5 cents. And a quarter is worth 25 cents. I want you to go ahead, pause the video, and use your knowledge about the value of these coins to make a set of coins that has a value of 47 cents. Go ahead and pause the video and show me your work. All right, Smarties, so I am going to do the same thing. So I am going to try to use the smallest number of coins I can. All right, so I'm going to start with my biggest value. So a quarter is worth 25 cents. So a quarter is worth 25 cents. And I'm going to write 25 cents down here because I'm going to add these values. All right, 25. I am trying to show a value of 47. So I'm going to look at my tens place, Smarties. My quarter has 2 tens and 47 has 4 tens. I need 2 more tens. Ooh, What coin has a value of 10 cents, Smarties? Dimes. All right, so if I add 1 dime, 25 plus 10 more would be 35 cents. Notice that I am going ahead and adding these values. Just like I did up here, I am skip counting. 35 cents. I'm going to look back at 47 cents. I'm going to look at my tens first. Okay, I need 1 10. I'm going to make sure that if I add a 10, it isn't going to go past 7 ones. Awesome. 5 ones is smaller than 7 ones. So I'm going to add another dime. If I add 10 more to 35, I'm going to have 45 cents. All right, now I have the same number of tens. Now I need to look at my ones place. How many ones do I need to get to 47 cents? 2. What coin has a value of 1 cent? Pennies. All right, so a penny. So 46 and 47. So I use a quarter, 2 dimes, and 2 pennies to show the same value. All right, and there are different ways that you can show value. You could have done 47 pennies. You could have done 9 nickels and 2 pennies. You could have done 4 dimes, 1 nickel, and 2 pennies. There are different ways to show those values. All right, let's look at number 5. It says Blair has these coins. How many cents does she have? Draw another set of coins that is worth the same amount. All right, so let's look really closely, Smarties. Okay, so the first coin that I see is our largest coin, and this is a quarter. What is the value of a quarter, Smarties? 25. So I'm going to go ahead and write 25 cents on top of that quarter. Do you see any more quarters? Yeah, there's a quarter right here. I'm also going to write 25 right here. Okay, now I'm going to move on to nickels. All right, I see 2 nickels. Do you see 2 nickels? I see one right here. How much is a nickel worth? 5 cents. So we have a nickel. It's worth 5 cents. And I see one more. I see the back side of a nickel. Yeah, it's right above this quarter. So 5 cents. All right, and I see some dimes. Ooh, I see 2 dimes. How much are dimes worth? 10 cents. I see 2 dimes, and our pennies are worth 1 cent. Make sure to label these, Smarties. It's not 1 ice cream cone or 1 kitten. It's 1 cent. All right, Smarties, now I need to find the value of these coins. So here's what I'm going to do. I am going to move myself right here. And I am going to group these on the coins. So I'm going to start with my quarters, 25. And to make sure I don't make any mistakes, I'm going to show the value of those digits. So 25 is 20 plus 5 plus 20 plus 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10. And 20 plus 20 is 40. So the value of 2 quarters, 40 plus 10 cents, is 50 cents. Okay. Now I'm going to go on to my dimes. I have 2 dimes. 10 plus 10 equals 20 cents. Okay, and I'm going to circle these so I don't forget to add them all together. Now I'm going to go to my nickels. I had 2 nickels. So 5 plus 5 equals 10 cents. Gonna circle it. And I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pennies. I'm just gonna go ahead and write 5 cents right here. Now, I have to put all of this together, Smarties. So I am going to write 50 plus 20 plus 10 plus 5. So I'm going to start by finding the value of 50 plus 20. What is 50 plus 20, Smarties? 70. 70 plus 10 would be 80. And 80 plus 5 would be 85 cents. Woo! That was a lot of adding. So Smarties, remember when we learned about how to add 3 parts or 3 groups of numbers? That knowledge is coming into play right here. So Smarties, we are going to go ahead and draw a line through that last problem. We ran out of space, and that is okay. But Smarties, remember, this is a skill that we use in our everyday life. So when we are talking about place value, when we are talking about the value of numbers, we use that every day, especially with money and with time and with measuring. So remember to keep that growth mindset. Good learners do challenging things, and I will see you very soon with another lesson with money. Happy learning, Smarties.